Annie Moran and Kathleen McInnes. Such a lovely version, and that played for Callum Stewart and Joanne Casey, heading back to County Kerry after being up in Inverness to visit their brand new weenies. Hi Gary, we've been listening to the first ever show 5 years ago, and we were wondering if the Huli in New York was going to be available anywhere that we can watch it. Thank you. That's from Jackie and George. Well, I'm afraid it's not actually. It wasn't filmed last night. I won't tell you how much it was going to cost to film in Carnegie Hall, and there's a reason that nobody has filmed there in the last 12 years, but unfortunately I just couldn't get it to work, so there we go. You had to be there, I'm afraid, to be part of that one. Hi Gary, please say a big happy birthday to our mum Flora Douglas, celebrating on the beautiful and sunny Isle of Rothesay. Well, a big hello to you this evening, Flora Douglas, and goodness, what a place to be celebrating your birthday. Hi Gary, once again would you please wish my granny Ina McKillop a happy birthday. She turned 92 yesterday. She had dinner with Mary, Alec, Donny and Mighty in the cottage in Maryborough, and enjoyed, well, a few amarettos at the bar with Johnny Jr. and Tegan. She kindly requests Blair Douglas's Kate Martin's Walls. Cheers. And that's from Struan in Edinburgh. Well, many thanks for that, and many happy returns to you, Granny Ina McKillop. Happy 92nd birthday, my dear. And because it's your 92nd birthday, here is Blair Douglas and Kate Martin's Walls, just for you. The legend that is Blair Douglas with Kate Martin's Walls. That played for Granny Ina McKillop. Happy 92nd birthday, and for Jackie and George. Gary, thank you so much for playing my request for Helen McCallan and Tom Wallace. who are to be married next Saturday, the 12th of April. But why, oh why, did you have to call me Helly? It's Henny. I've had so much Mickey taken out of me because of this, but I've got broad shoulders. Thank you for playing my request though. Cheerio! And that's from Henny McCallan. Well, I can only apologise for that, Henny. I did not even realise that I'd called you the Helly. Apologies about that. Now, time for Lullaby Corner, and can someone please give Henny a big cuddle for this one? We're asking you all to go for a wee cuddle, and the request for this comes with love from Eileen in Edinburgh. Hi Gary, Jennifer, greetings to our American friends. I hope you're still having the lovely Lullaby Corner, because I'd like to have Dream Angus by Jackie Oates this evening for all the kiddies going off to their beds while it's still light outside. Cheerio. Well, thank you very much for that, Eileen, and I hope you enjoy this one.
Dream Angus is hurtling o'er the heather. Dreams to sell, fine dreams to sell. Angus is here with dreams to sell. Hush, my dear baby, and sleep without fear. Dream Angus has brought you dream, my dear.